Okay guys, so today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look you see right here, full face. I feel like I haven't done a full face tutorial in a while. This is my current glowy stay in place makeup routine. It's what I wear most days, honestly, to work. It's very easy and it just looks really nice and effortless and pretty, although it is not effortless, but you know. Anyway, so starting off with a fresh face, I'm taking the No Pore Blend Primer and I'm putting that all over my face. Still my favorite. I just ordered another one off Amazon. I've told you guys this before. They sell it at Sephora for $20, but you can get it on Amazon for $12 to $15. Then taking the Professional, I'm putting that just a little bit on my nose area and a little bit on my cheeks. And then taking the Physicians Formula Rosé All Day, I'm putting that on my face. I really love this serum. It makes my skin look glowy but not oily, and it just makes my foundation stick really nice, and just I look healthy. It makes my skin look healthy, so I put it on my neck too, but I really like it. And taking my Maybelline 24-hour foundation, which is still the best, guys. I can't find anything to dethrone it. I'm putting that all over my face. I've been doing this a lot lately, just getting my fingers and kind of dotting it everywhere. I think I probably waste more foundation this way, but you know, whatever. I forgot what color I'm in. I think I'm going to get a lighter color and blend the two, because I think this one can oxidize a little bit, but you know. And then I'm blending that with my Sonia Kashuk blender. I really love this thing. I swear I haven't touched my beauty blender. It's just so good. It's so fluffy, so bouncy. It's the best. And it cleans so easily. I was kind of scared that the white would end up looking crazy, in which it does, but it comes off so easily. So 2 for $10 at Target, guys. If you're not about that $20 life. And then taking the Tarte Shape Tape, I'm using the color Light Medium first, and I put that all over the usual areas I conceal: under my eyes, underneath my nose, my forehead, down my nose, and my chin area. And then taking the color Light Sand, which is a little bit lighter, I'm just putting a little bit towards the inner corners right there, forehead and all that. It's just an extra brightening step. I feel like my eyes, I've been having a little bit more dark circles lately. Probably because I'm waking up at 5:30 in the morning to work out. But when you got a goal, girl. So I got that goal right now. So I'm sacrificing. All right, so blending, going really well, as you can see. And then going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It powder in the shade Petal, I'm going to set all that concealer. I really like this powder. I got it because it was on sale for Sephora. My mom actually got it for me. She's the best. And it actually does brighten up, and it's so lightweight and fine. I feel like it doesn't leave me looking like a ghost. Like sometimes I can get a little over powdered. This look has a lot of powder in it today, guys. Just a little warning there. But it just helps me stay less oily, but it will look okay in the end, I promise. Oh, look at that, brows done. I've been really doing my brows kind of not lazy, but I'm trying to grow them out, so you know, it's kind of letting them do their thing. It's mostly shadow and brow gel, like you see right there. That's the Benefit brow gel. I really love this. I love the little wand. I think I like it more than the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. It just really grasps onto every single hair, and it just makes the brow look more natural. So I appreciate that. I feel like it's less and it'll run out really fast, so that's downside, but you know. And then taking my little elf brush there, I'm just pressing in and then wiping away. Yes, look at it. You see, I look white right here on camera because, you know, I'm underneath a bunch of lights and whatnot. But the powder really does, it has a nice brightening hue to it, nothing too crazy. I was going to get the yellow one, but I was reading reviews that it actually looked super yellow. Then taking the Tarte, I forgot what this is called. This is the really fine one. I think it's the pore one. It's a little sample size. I really like it. I use it around my nose mainly. I think it gives, it really helps blend away the pores per se. And taking the MAC and Patrick Star, I was going to say combo, collaboration. I'm using that with my Real Techniques kabuki brush and just putting that all over the rest of the face. I told you guys, a lot of powder. But my skin looks smooth. It stays on all day, so it's okay. And taking the Hoola bronzer, I'm just going to very lightly contour the nose and also the normal areas of the face. And you'll see that in just a second here. I've been doing this a lot because I've been waking up, again, at 5:30 in the morning to work out. So I kind of find shortened ways to contour. I used to do this only before I got the Morphe and the Brittany Bear brushes for contouring, because you know sometimes that takes a little bit of time if you want to do it right. But you know, I'll do that today for the video. I like this brush the best out of that little kit. It just blends away really nicely and helps get a nice line without looking like, you know, well, without looking crazy. Because let's be honest, if you aren't careful, you could look crazy with some nose contouring. Taking the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Lace, I'm just going to clean up that contour a little bit, and I'll clean it up on my nose as well. I do leave it on a little bit longer than I normally do. Again, like I said, I'm really oily right now, so this really does help. I do like this powder. I think I like it more than the banana powder by Makeup Revolution. All the comments I see online for reviews complain about the ingredients, so I guess that is an issue. But I wanted to try it, so And then I wipe that away with my big fluffy brush, my old Real Techniques brush. Still one of my favorite fluffy brushes. Taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, I'm mixing almost pretty much every shade in the kit. Just using that to warm up the face a little bit more. I think I mix Peaches and Cream, and I forgot the name of the other. I think it's Macchiato and Nutmeg. Peaches and Cream and Macchiato are kind of too light to actually be a bronzer, so I actually have to mix all those colors together to get it. But the formula of the powders is really nice. And then going in with Blush Like You Mean It from Dose of Colors. I'm just warming up the cheeks like that. I really love this blush. It's so subtle, not too pink, not too peach. It's the perfect summer, spring blush. I'm so glad I got it. And taking this baby right here, the Morphe and Bretman Rock highlighter palette. I'm taking Vacation, and I forgot the name of the other shade, but the top two on the right. Look at that. Look at that. It is so pretty. I have not been able to put this palette down. It is beautiful. And it just it doesn't emphasize pores. As you can see, I get carried away. I put that all over my face. We're about to glow. Look at that, girl. Yes. And I've used all the colors. They're all fantastic. And taking Get Laid, I'm using that with the brush that came with the palette, which is so nice, by the way. It's a little bit heavier than their normal brushes, and it's just so soft, the bristles. It's an awesome brush. I really love it. So, again, over-highlighting. Can you over-highlight? I don't know. I haven't done it yet. And then the Smashbox Coconut Water, which is what they did with Nicole Concilio. I'm putting that all over my face. I love their primer water. I got the coconut one. It smells so freaking good. It smells so good. So, you know, for eyes, we're going to go a little bit casual. This is, like I said, this is what I do pretty much on a daily basis when I'm not going somewhere for a specific reason. I need to get all done up. Using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, I'm just putting that all over my eyes. And then I just set it with some translucent powder. I can't talk today. I don't know what is going on. But yes, setting that looks good. And then going back in with that contour kit, I'm taking Peaches and Cream and Nutmeg, something. I'm mixing a bunch, guys. And I'm putting that all over as a transition shade. And these colors, like I said, they blend out really, really nice. I got this at TJ Maxx. My mom found it for me. Holla, TJ Maxx and Marshalls. They are the best. So I only paid $20 for it. So would I pay full price for it? No, girl. It is definitely not worth what it is in store. I think it was like $40. Tripping. And then I put that, again, lower lashes, same exact colors, just kind of mixing my brush all over in the palette. And then going in with the darker color, I think it's Espresso? Macchiato? Maybe I just want coffee and I'm just making up the names. It is espresso. Okay. I'm putting that on the outer inner corners. Not necessarily doing like a halo eye, just kind of deepening out the eye a little bit more. Give a little bit more dimension. Very easy, guys, though. I took basically 2 blending brushes and just went to town. Repeating the same steps on the lower lash line. Yes. And that's the Urban Decay brush. And then I went back over just to blend everything out one more time. Make sure it's nice and smooth and seamless as possible. This is fast, so I'm not too worried. And then taking Shady Bitch from the Morphe and Bretman Rock palette. I'm just getting my finger and putting that all over the lid. And then going in with the Dose of Colors and Desi and Katie collab, I'm mixing Noli and Suze, and I'm putting that over that just for a little bit extra glow. I love how this looks. I was actually doing this before I got the Bretman palette. I just added Shady Bitch to the steps now, you know. Yes. And then taking Bad Girl Bang, I'm putting that on my lashes, prepping them for the inevitable falsies. I tried to go out without falsies the other day, and then I was like, no, I can't do it. I tried. I don't know how I ever lived my life without falsies. I'm sure it's bad for me, but, you know. Taking Diva by Coco Lashes, which is my current favorite style of lash. So pretty. I can't get enough of them. And then, you know, after I slap those on, I'm putting the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on the lower lash line. I've been using this mascara again. I forgot how much I loved it. So good. And taking Vacation and Get Laid, I'm putting that on the inner corner just to brighten up a little bit. And I'm also going to put that on the brow bone to add some more glow, because who doesn't need more glow? I need more glow. When don't I not need more glow? For lipstick, I'm using this Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Cathedral. So nice. And yeah. And we are ready to go. Okay guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this is something that is easy for you guys to do. I did not zoom in on a lot of things, especially my brows right now. Let me tell you guys, I'm trying to grow them out. I went to a new lady and she was like, you can do it. I believe in you. So, I've been really dialing it back. They're definitely not as dark as I normally do them. And that's also because of my hair, because I went so light. The normal darkness that I was doing my brows was like making me look crazy. So I hardly put any product on now. I'm very light-handed. It's actually mostly just concealer to clean up the areas because I'm growing them out, and also a lot of brow gel. So yeah. Wait, I don't know, the wind. I went outside to take the dogs out and now my hair's like poof. But yeah. So again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Hold up.